The thing is, I am not educated. Here, some people they don't know Kannada, this is local language. They don't know Hindi also, that Indian language. So to interact that people, English is required.
English is the language of business in India right now. There is an awareness and aspiration amongst young India and old India alike to just be able to communicate better in English, to be able to get a better job. English Dost means English friend. So as an app, we aspire to be an easy way for anyone to be able to just practice speaking English like you would with a friend.
Education has always been my area of passion. I love to teach. People today don't have access to English education, or it's too expensive to go to. And so a solution like English Dost can really touch many more people than a traditional solution.
One of the infrastructural challenges in India is the availability of internet, which is why all the content of the app sits in as an offline module.
We face the problem that most startups face, which is how do you quickly get your product to market and get some users and see how they're behaving with the application. We found that the Facebook developer tools allowed us to do a lot of that very, very quickly. Using the Facebook mobile app install ads, we've been able to cut our user acquisition costs by about 60 to 70%, because the kind of targeting parameters that they provide allows us to really be very scientific in how we go about our user acquisition. We're also using the lookalike feature a lot, which allows us to acquire users based on the behaviors already shown by the users of our app. What that does is it allows us to build a really high quality user base. To improve our user engagement, we use Facebook Analytics. We engineer a lot of event signals in the application to suggest how the users are engaging with our application. And so through that iterative approach, we're able to improve our app quality. We're a part of the FP Start program, and through the program, we're getting access to a lot of developers in the ecosystem at various events, and that's been really beneficial to us. We are very well motivated and very well focused on our vision of skilling 200 million people to become more employable in India. We've started off on that path, but we have miles to go before we sleep. And so we'll come to work every day and keep knocking the problem out of the park, and we'll reach our goal someday.